Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into conception. 10 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Concept, which means an abstract idea. Concept. For example, the concept of society as an organic entity. Number 2. Idea, which means a mental impression. Idea. For example, our menu list will give you some idea of how interesting a low-fat diet can be. Number 3. Impression, which means an idea, feeling, or opinion about something or someone, especially one formed without conscious thought or on the basis of little evidence. Impression. For example, he got the impression that she was hiding something. Number 4. Conception, which means an abstract idea. Conception. For example, his conception of democracy. Number 5. Understanding, which means the ability to understand something. Understanding. For example, foreign visitors with little understanding of English. Number 6. Notion, which means a conception of or belief about something. Notion. For example, these figures give the lie to the notion that the country is strike-ridden. Number 7. Image, which means a mental representation or idea. Image. For example, I had a sudden image of Sal bringing me breakfast in bed. Number 8. View, which means an attitude or opinion. View. For example, strong political views. Number 9. Perception, which means awareness of something through the senses. Perception. For example, our perception of our own limitations. Number 10. Opinion, which means a view or judgment formed about something, not necessarily based on fact or knowledge. Opinion. For example, that, in my opinion, is right. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.